Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Webtech Zone. In this video today we're going to learn how to delete documents from Google Drive. So let's open the Google Drive. So I have already opened my Google Drive and I come to the My Drive. Here you can see your all file and folder. So if you want to delete, you can delete easily. Just right click on it and click on remove if you want to remove folder. Or same way, if you want to delete any files, you can delete the files. Just right click on it and just delete or remove. Or just select file, or you can see this is the dustbin icon. You can click on it and it will be removed. You can search particular files like only PDF file, shared file, present file, or you can search file from name. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so I filtered PDF only, so I have PDF file here. I need to just click on it and I can delete from here. After delete, it will be moved to the trash. So if you want to delete permanently, now you have to you can see there is a, on your left side there is a list of options. Just tap on trash and here you can see the all delete files, and this is new file here added which we have just deleted. So now you can click this and you can delete it permanently. Okay, so here you can see this is pop-up. This is for delete forever. You can't be undo this, so just delete forever, it will be delete. Okay, so now if you want to delete all files from here, click on empty trash, then all files will be deleted forever. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.